So hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you the full process to convert your Microsoft document into a PDF. Now if you have any kind of document in your Microsoft Word, in your MS Word, and you want to convert that document into a PDF, then this video is for you. You have to watch this video till the end to get the full information about this topic. So now without further ado, let's get into this video. So guys, first you need to open up your Microsoft document that you have. So here I have this document and I want to convert this document into a simple PDF. So to do that, first I need to draw this thing. I'm just kidding, you don't need to draw this box. Let's remove this. First you need to open up your document that you have, and you can see I have this simple document in my Microsoft Word 2007. So I'm going to convert this document into PDF. So to do that, tap on this button and tap on Save As, and then I'm going to change the name. So the name, I'm going to write Simple PDF. So this is a name. This is a simple PDF. So I'm going to choose the name Simple PDF, and then I'm going to tap on this desktop, because I want to save this file on my desktop. So I'm going to choose desktop. So if you want to save your file like in this document folder, then you can choose in document. I know you guys already know this thing, because because you know how to use Microsoft Word, but you don't know what is this window means, then first here you need to cite the name of your document. Then here you can choose the format, and then here you can see if you want to save your document on your desktop, then you can choose desktop, or if you want to save your document on your downloads folder, then you can choose this. Anywhere you can choose it. So I'm gonna just choose this desktop, and then I want to save this file on my desktop. So after that, just tap on this button. You can see on your screen this Word document button. Let me show you this Word document, this little button. Tap on it. So let's do it, and then tap on PDF. And basically you can see there are many formats. So I want to convert this document into PDF, so I'm going to choose PDF. But if you guys don't want to convert this into PDF, you want to convert this document into another formats, then you can choose any of them you want. Like if you want to convert this into a web page, then you can choose web page and save it. So I'm going to choose PDF and then tap on save. Okay, done. You can see this is my PDF. It is ready to use, and the same thing, you can see no difference. And let me show you, this is the PDF that I have created in front of you guys, and this is the Microsoft document. You can see the difference. You can open this PDF on any kind of browser. In any kind of browser. Just you need to share your link. First you need to upload this PDF online, and then you just need to share your link. Like I'm gonna just copy this link. Basically this is hosted in my local, what is that called, local disk. Yes. And so I'm gonna copy the link, and just I'm gonna go to, let's see what happens, Chrome browser, and then here I'm gonna paste the link and hit the enter button, and you can see that PDF is ready. So using this way you can convert your Microsoft document into a simple PDF.
So that's it.
So what's up guys, thanks for watching the video, and make sure to hit that red button if you're watching this video on YouTube, and also tap on the bell icon so you don't miss the new videos on our YouTube channel. And if you want to get more information about technology, then you can follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. So that's it for this video, and our latest podcast is available on Anchor and Google Podcast. Tap the link to listen to our latest podcast. So I'll see you again. Peace.